Hi, I'm Vishnu.
Hi, I'm Sudashini, and today we are collecting our keys.
Hi there, I'm Dallas and I'm excited to share with you our favorite real estate agent, Noonal Farina from OrangeTee AAG, #Happiest Homes with Noonal, celebrating her recent success of getting a home for her clients in this dynamic market with our local celebrity couple, the young and vibrant Vishnu and Sudashini. It's you.
I am so glad today that I will be witnessing the joy on my clients' faces as they are collecting their keys to their new house today.
COV is something that we were not so familiar with, and after speaking to our agent, she actually explained to us what is it all about and how we overcame it is all based on her negotiation. She negotiated so well that we didn't really need to do much and we had to pay zero in terms of COV, so that is something so exciting.
We did make use of a lot of the grants that HDB gave us, and I find it really helpful, especially for first-time homeowners. It really sets off the price of the house I think by a very good margin. So it really makes the buying process more convenient.
The purchase was certainly within our estimate. Of course, nowadays the prices of HDB has increased, right, in terms of the inflation. But Noonal sat with us and gave us a good breakdown of the value of the house. And it's not only about buying it for the current times, it's more of looking into the future. What are we going to do with the property? So is it sellable? So that's one of the reasons why we got the property, regardless of whatever price it was. Of course, the view and everything was good. So Noonal guided us throughout to make us understand the value and how we can sell it in the future. I think that is how most buyers should be buying their properties, to consider 5-10 years down the road.
I think Noonal's negotiation really helped us a lot, and it will really help a lot of aspiring new buyers, definitely. And her expertise really showed very well because you need to know very well about the housing market and how their pricing and everything is, so you can actually fix a certain negotiation with the other agent. So that really helped a lot, and she also explained a lot of things to us. So definitely, if you have a lot of questions and you're very doubtful, please don't doubt it at all, and just give the decision to her. She will really help you a lot.
At Dallas Hassan Branch House Party Group, we go the extra mile to make the entire buying and selling process seamless and stress-free. Our commitment to excellence and personalized approach makes us stand out in the industry. We collaborate, learn from each other, and share the same passion for delivering exceptional service to our clients with compassion. Negotiating on behalf of my clients gives me a real sense of purpose, ensuring that they get the best deal, and that is my top priority. So if you are ready to take to the next step, we are here to partner you to your home ownership success story, covering all the elements in real estate transactions, be it new launches, HDB, or even commercial transactions. Connect with me at Happiest Homes with Noonal Farina. Don't be shy, I'm just a chai away. 87824337.